Hello children, once again welcome to all of you. Children, here I am going to explain boxes and sketches chapter, and this is your chapter 9. Now what is written over here? This girl is Ramya and she went to buy some sweets. The shopkeeper took a paper cutout. You can see here this is a paper cutout and quickly made a lovely pink box for the sweets. So he made a lovely pink box. This one he is going to make a lovely pink box for the sweets. Look at the photo and make your own box. Now children, here you have to look at this photo and you have to make your own box. After coming home, Ramya unfolded the box. She removed the extra flaps so the cutout looked like this. So what Ramya did, Ramya ne extra flaps she removed. Extra flaps means the portion, the area that is used to sticking the box. Okay, so she removed these extra flaps and the द कटआउट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक दिस मीन्स कि जो आपका कटआउट है वो अब ऐसा दिख रहा है. कटआउट, दिस कटआउट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज 2D नेट और यू कैन ऑल्सो से 2 डायमेंशनल नेट. ओके, दिस शेप makes a box. Let me see what other shapes will make a box. She made 4 more shapes. Each is to be folded along the dotted lines. Now she has made all these 4 shapes and what we have to do here, we have to fold it along the dotted lines. You have to find out which of these can be made into a box. अब आपको पता करना है कि इसमें से किस कटआउट से आप बॉक्स बना सकते हैं. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, एज यू ऑल नो, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड, total number of faces in cube and cuboid is 6. So first thing that you all have to know, total number of faces. So here children, first thing that you all have to note, total number of faces. Now here I am going to make a cube. As you all know, a cube is made up of a square. Okay, now here you can see all the faces of this cube are in square shape. Okay, so and all the faces are equal. So you have made a cube from the square shape because all the faces of a cube are equal. Next, when we are talking about a rectangle, here I am using rectangular shapes to make a cuboid. You can see here all the faces of this cuboid is in rectangular shape. Okay, but note here rectangular shape. Okay, but note here sometimes what happen, we have some faces which are in the form of a square, which are in the shape of a square. Sometimes we have some faces in a cuboid which are in the shape of a square. You can see here this side, this face is in the shape of a square. Okay, and so what you all have to do here, you have to check whether she will be able to make 3D boxes with the help of these 2D net. 2D net means 2 dimensional, or you can also say plane shape. Okay, so here children, first we will count the number of faces. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, number of faces is 6. Now she will be able to, because here all the faces are in rectangular shape, when you will fold it you will be getting a closed cube, closed box. Okay, so she will be able to make box with the help of this 2D net. Next question is this, when you will be here, what we have to do, we have to fold this along this dotted line. So as you all know, whenever we are making a cube and cuboid, or whenever we are making a box, we are not having any face in triangular shape, so this answer is wrong. Okay, next C part. First count the number of faces. 1 2 3 4 5. So all total 6 faces and all the faces are in rectangular shape, so you will be able to make box from this. Okay, now next move to the D part. Here you can see total number of faces 1 2 3 4 and this one is 5th. Only 5 faces, it means you would not be able to make a closed box with the help of this. Okay, so here children, only answer A and C is correct. And in C you can see all the faces are in rectangular shape. If it would be in a square shape, then also you would be able to make, if all the faces would be in square shape, then also you would be able to make a box. Okay, So with this we come to an end. Thank you. Have a nice day.